Deepening our ecological perception develops our capacity to live in partnership with the Earth. This is imperative for the survival of humans, the biosphere, and all of life. Speaking and listening to the Earth is foundational, and our imagination helps us. Too bad many are taught to put it away like an outgrown toy in grade school. Imagination can link us to intuition and an innate emotional affiliation with all living organisms, activating biophilic love for the wild and catalyzing a yearning to be close to and care for nature. To get started, imagine what it would be like if you were a tree, a canyon wall, a river, or a bobcat. Sense yourself covered in bark or fur. Perceive the world through the eyes of these others. Experience the changing of the day or season. Merge with one of them in your imagination or choose another being. Does a mountain feel solid? A river fluid? Experience the world as they might. How does time pass from the point of view of a 100-year-old tree? Or mountains that are several millennia old? Observe human activity from their perspective and see if you can grasp timescales far beyond that of a human lifetime. After merging with another in your imagination, return to being human. Prepare for a second practice. Feel the rise and fall of your breath and blood pulsing through your veins. Become aware of the shape of your body. Sense yourself as a cell within the Earth's body, a part of her. How are you called to move or be present? Recognize how you are in communion with the natural world and live within and are wholly dependent on it. Feel yourself in an intimate union like you are every day, whether you realize it or not. Remember how she nourishes you, providing the food you eat, the materials of your clothing, and your home. Lie on the ground. Feel how you are constantly intermingling with and nourished by the earth. For a third practice, talk and listen to the more than human world. Speak to trees, rain, or rocks with words, song, movement, or silence. Do not expect a response, but leave space for the possibility. A reply may come as a sign, synchronicity, dream image, vision, memory, or emotional sensation. Listen with all your senses, intuition, feeling, and imagination. Notice what arises within you while in a particular place. Awaken to your visionary or imaginal self, so you can receive images from the earth through your deep imagination. If none come, invite them. Speak aloud about your longing to receive a vision. Ask the earth what she wants you to see. Wait. Be curious and willing to be surprised. Notice any shifts in the world around you or in your perception. Be open to whatever comes. If a response seems mysterious, you are on track. Deep imagery has intelligence. Our mind can influence our creativity, writing, and art. Yet when we listen to the deep imagination, images do not come from our minds. They arise unbidden in night dreams or daydreams, in the liminal space at the edge of consciousness, and often do not make sense to our rational mind. We can tell they come from our deep imagination, partly because we would not have consciously thought of them. We honor these waking dreams by being receptive to what bubbles up from the earth into our psyche. We do not analyze or interpret them. Instead, we seek to live and be guided by the mysteries we receive.